Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to take the panorama photos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first, open the camera app, and now if you are here, tap More in the bottom right corner. Here you have to find something called the Panorama over here. Now, as you can see, tap the camera button, then pan slowly in the one direction. Let me do something like that, so I can show you how to do so. But let me add first unzoom somehow. And here, now we can tap photo. And now we are going in the right direction. I have to go to right. As you can see here on the screen, you have this rectangle. And we are going right to the right. Now we have taken the panorama photo. It looks like this, and yeah, we can, as you can see, tap the camera. Wait a moment. More, panorama, click, and go. As you can see, left, and until we go to at the end of the rectangle. This is the second panorama I've taken. Now we can move around with our camera. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!